Pawlik Automotive, we service Teslas. We offer several services for Teslas. These are maintenance services to ensure that your car is reliable and runs for a very long time. Teslas are different than internal combustion engine vehicles. They don't really need the maintenance that an internal combustion engine vehicle needs. Inspections are a very important thing to do. As your car gets older, things will wear, and it's important to catch things before they wear out to save you money. Our annual maintenance service has a comprehensive EV inspection. And what we do on that inspection is we look at your brakes, we pull the wheels off the vehicle, we inspect the tires, we inspect your steering and suspension, make sure there's no loose or worn parts. Brakes last a long time on a Tesla because most of the braking is done by EV motors. However, brakes do wear. It's important to inspect the brakes, make sure they're not wearing abnormally to maximize brake life. We test a 12-volt battery. The 12-volt battery is critical for all the other functions of the vehicle, in the interior cabin, to start the vehicle, those sorts of things. If the 12-volt battery is weak or fails, the car goes nowhere, so that's important to make sure that's good shape. We do a vehicle computer scan to see if there's any issues stored in the vehicle computer. Again, Teslas do over-the-air updates, so there's no need to update any modules. That kind of stuff is taken care of by Tesla, but there are issues that can occur in the vehicle. We look for fluid leaks. Fluid leaks are different on a Tesla than they are in an internal combustion engine car. They're much simpler, but there is a cooling system. There's oil in the motors. Things can leak, so it's important to deal with those before they cause a problem. Thanks for watching the video. If you need service for your Tesla in Vancouver, call us at 604-327-7112.